Getting your home loan funded as a business owner is extremely difficult, especially if you don't have the right person in your corner on your team that knows what they're doing, someone who's competent and capable, willing to get the job done. Hi, my name is Zachary D'Amato, and I work with business owners and entrepreneurs as their loan officer to structure their loan properly so their loan gets funded. You need somebody who knows the tax code, somebody who knows how to save you thousands of dollars on taxes, and you could still get your home loan funded. I know how to do that. I know how to package a loan together so your loan gets funded. So give me a call. I'd love to chat with you. If you're a business owner, entrepreneur, you're somebody who gets paid a unique way, I'd love to chat with you, show you how to structure your home loan so it can get funded. Remember, there's no tax returns needed, there's no W-2s needed, there's no 1099s, and there's no pay stubs that are needed. This home loan is going to be based off of your bank statements only. Maybe you've already watched the full presentation. Maybe you've seen the whole webinar on how these loans get funded and how we're able to qualify people. But either way, it doesn't matter. I want to talk to you. Okay, let's chat. Go ahead and click the link below. You'll see a form where you could fill out your name, phone number, and email. And then after that, it's going to take you to my calendar. On that calendar, you could schedule a call with me right then and there, or you could just wait for me to give you a call back. But look, I would love to help you get your loan funded. I work with a lot of business owners and entrepreneurs that lost hope, that forget the dream of owning a home, or maybe they want to refinance to secure some equity and they want to build another house or take that equity and do something with it in their business, but they lost hope and they think there's not a way. But today I tell you, there is hope, there is a way. Your loan can get approved and I could show you how. So just reach out to me, click the link below, and I look forward to chatting with you.